Hi, good morning. Do you believe that in Germany there's also a brownout or blackout or shortage of electricity? One of our reliable companion for clean and portable power. Embarking on outdoor adventure or unforeseen emergencies, we have the Jackery Explorer 240 version 2. It's very lightweight and it has a compact design. I can put it directly in my backpack. We're going outdoor for adventure and it's good to be always ready. Now we are ready to go out. Let's go! Woo! Ang bilis! Super fast! Jackery Explorer 240 V2, smallest 300 watts among mainstream brands. 256 watt-hour gold capacity. Now featuring USB-C input and output enabled. 1000 watts power delivery. Two-way fast charging. And it has exclusive Charge Shield 2.0 battery technology. It is an extremely portable generator. Perfect companion for excursion. There is also flashlight in the front. Great use for nighttime. It has been at the forefront of portable clean energy solutions, empowering countless explorers and homeowners to stay connected and prepared. I'm outside and biking with my e-bike. And then suddenly, I saw that the battery is not enough. Luckily, I have my Jackery 240 version 2 here in my bag. It's very lightweight. Ta-da! Super easy to charge. Just connect to alternating power port. Then switch on the AC button. Then connect the charger to our e-bike. As you can see in the monitor, the output is increased to 125 watts, this is the maximum consumption of the e-bike. We're charging our e-bike and then our cell phone. So we have 1, 2, 3 gadgets. This is the output power from Jackery going to the devices. 135 watts, meaning this is the voltage that these 3 devices consume from this power bank. Fast charging mode recharges to 80% in just 1.3 hours. Boosted lifespan of the battery pack by 30%. Tailored for long-term reliability. Emergency supercharging mode. Charge from 0 to 100% in just an hour. When you have a Jackery generator, you have no worries even if you're outside. It powers up your life. So whether you are off the grid, at home or on the move, the Jackery Explorer version 2 is your trusted partner for clean and portable energy. Visit jackery.com and learn more and start your adventure today. Welcome home! Hello, Rio! Hi! Mga fan! Welcome Team Blended! No!
We're collecting donations for the Mental Foundation, which supports humanitarian projects.
Guys, sa tagal guys. Andun si Papa guys oh. Ayun, maputi. Yan. Laka guys, ayan na sila guys. Talaga guys, ayan na. Ay. Guys. Hoy, wag. Hoy, hindi alam ni Team Blended may ganito guys. Hoy. Tama pala guys, magkukuha pa sila ng bagahe guys. Nakalimutan ko guys. So guys, ito na ano na halaka guys, halaka guys. Ano na to guys, halaka guys. Hala! Kitaan ba di ay? Tagal ba guys? Dito sa guys. Ala, yun. Joke lang guys. Joke lang po. Saan ba yun sila? Uy. Ala, ito ka guys! Ala guys, ito ka guys! Nana guys, nana guys! Nana guys, na-share ko guys. Ipicturean pa niyang welcome to Davao. Awa, for sure. Ito ka guys! Ay, nana. Nana guys. Si Pupa. Pupa! Uy, nili makita si Pupa. Uy, nausan siya di Arya. Patabang, tabangin. Uy, bugat ka ayo, Vic. Ano, Vic? Bugat ka, Vic. Oh. Nakita na ta. Hello! Si Daisy. Team Blended! Si Papa! Apil si Papa! Hey, Team Blended! Welcome home! Hello, Aryo! Hi! Mga fan! Welcome, Team Blended! No! Ay! Ayaw niya na lang. For Arya! Yeah, dali sa... Hala, ang ganda niya guys. City Blended guys. Ang ganda. Jay, pariya daw niya gnaw. Kani oh. Oh. Bisa mo na si Ate Arya. Pakita si Ate Arya, pakita. Halak ka, Arya. Ang imong kaliwat. Mga pariha di mong ilong. Hala, mo tadapit. Asa to sakyan na to? Patrol. Hi, welcome to Davao. Grabe, nakakatuwa. Ang daming ay, Shaira! Jam! Hi, guys, welcome sa patrol namin, guys. Sa barangay. Grabe yung sundo sa akin. Ang laka, ka-happy sa mong baby. Pagkadala sa good jam.
I'm gonna show you when we are there, okay? Okay. Yeah, in. Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah, daw.
Hala?
Yeah.
Ay, Tia, nabiyaan. Biyaan, Tia. Hala, palangga na ikaw niya ko.
You remember me? Are you still scared of me? No, not anymore?
Ali, wala pa na sigurado yung nagsilos siya. O, Tia. Thank you guys. Thank you so much sa aking mga assistant. How do you feel to ride with a patrol? How is it?
Bad.
Why? Why it's bad?
Without petrol.
Without patrol? This is a patrol. Do you know? Do you know patrol? No, this is a very nice car, right? But what did you say? It's very warm. You said very warm.
This is just the first car, Barangay Patrol. The
Yes.
second car is TV Patrol.
You remember him, Arya? Who is that? Baby?
Boss. Ay, sorry.
No? Baby Johan.
Oh, Spider.
Oh. Oh. Ah, Spider!
Spider Johan.
Hala! Uy! Wow! Wow!
kita, wala sa kabalo. Nagkaroon na ka pa ni hapon dong. Ikaw.
Johan!
Naman na.
Yay!
Ulo! Pamil din ka!
Tita Shira also. Yay!
Iya.
Thank you! Can I have 5?
Okay.
No, fair, be fair. Yay! Ah, thank you na sa. Thank you. Wala sa kabalo mo, Apribe. Shake. Woo! Pata. Crazy face, kissy face, sexy on the.
I'm trying to do this for real.
Oh,
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you?
wow, the jump.
Tomorrow, but tonight you're crazy.
Meet me at the
Uy, naunsa naman eh! Wala!
Get her, go! On time, on my way. Yeah. I'm on my way. On time, I'm on my way. Yeah. I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? With the mama tonight, I'm crazy. Meet me at the apata.
Yay! We arrive in Dorian, Tagum City. Tingnan natin yung sasakyan, oh. Grabe ka pa, patrol. Ayan, ang pagbabalik sa Rainbow House. Ayan. Nasa likod tayo ngayon, pupunta tayo sa harap. Ayan. Hello! Welcome to the house!
Surprise to the foods!
For you! Will you marry me? Tagtagpi ko si Muha! Ninggamay ka! Nag-boots ka! Gumanya ni Muha! Para balik ka mama di ay!
Boy!
Ay, suko, manoon ka. Oy, binaw. Maglablab ni.
Nagay mo kinakusgan gani no, katong ginano cleaners. The cleaniest. The cleaners.
Daghanan to ano oy, daghanan to kanang tagaanan oy. Hala! Kagwapa! Gwapa dayoy.
Ay sir, magaan ka sir.
Grabe pinagkuan eh. Nawis tayo ba? Mahal na kuan bi usay. Ay,
Hamis ka yung nong no.
Di palangga mo gudo siya.
Ibugat kay mong bag. Unsa man ni? Ibugat sa mong bag.
ay, sa mukha. Amara ta tagaan.
Wala pa na ko
Puro dasan. Ganun
Nag-cry.
Ala, patay. Ibugat sa mong bag.
Asong isa ka no ka abulak.
Asang bulak ni Alia? Yes, naabot igit si Ate Stephanie. Makakaon na gyud mi na.
Surprise with the food pod.
Ay, wow!
Actually, celebrate na New Year.
Napaisa.
Hindi mo lang 2025. New Year ni everyday. Then, tanawa rin na bago. Orange na sauna. Yellow green na po. Green na po.
Kani kita og gani.
Gumayan ni mo. Sexy mo noon po. Kaya sa mga, nagko kay mi. Ako ko yung lawas.
Talk English.
Wow.
Si Jaira, ay si Ari, namayat po siya no. Taas.
My dad has
Hinata ka no.
Did you say hello?
Oh, yeah.
She still remember me, right? Huh? We ate pizza before.
Nabrasan.
Oh, ti Jam Jam and you.
May lain.
Nangutan ako siya, how's your trip? Ano siya? Tired. Oh.
Mag-pictures ako. Ano?
Nya, te, yasa man ni mama ang kwan ba? Yasa ni mama ang siya nga. Oh my God, that's so heavy. Kung it's okay. Muma can carry 100 kilos. 50 kilos here.
Atata lang. 100 kilos.
Let's say like your face. 50 kilos.
This one, 70 kilos.
Kung saan na yung paunon?
Welcome to Lapad family.
Don't cry, mama.
Patay, sige naman siya gilak, uy. Magtagalog daw, uy.
Oh, hindi na siya umiyak kasi magtagalog.
Tagalog na, English na lang. Maray, give the gift. It's okay?
Kaon sa mga
Yawa sa mga natigsundo, uy. Ibang kapoy naman yung mga...
Luya naman. Uy, you know that you look very pretty. And you look prettier when you get older. Older, I mean, as you grow older, I mean, you are getting prettier. I love the way you speak.
Sigma boy.
Yeah, I love your diction.
Call Princess.
Princess,
Eat.
fruit salad, imo ha.
SNC fruit salad. The princess.
Esdu, fruit salad.
What is that?
Fresh, that's a fresh. You know, you want the ingredients? You want to know the ingredients? The first ingredient is banana!
The second ingredient is
Papaya.
Grapes! Patay na, sabaan siya sa baba. And the third ingredient is, you guess what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh? It's a
Avocado.
watermelon.
Watermelon.
Watermelon with all the cream and the condensed. Oh, you like the cream?
Very
Are you a
demure.
big fan of the cream?
No?
No?
I don't know
What's cream? Ay, we have pizza. Would you like to eat some pizza?
Binibas mo.
You want to
Hi
eat?
guys. Uy.
Come here. Ay, salamat, sir. Thank you.
Pagkaon na po, mami. Kayo.
Salamat.
Mag-eat ka na din.
You like
Okay. Tubig at langis. Di siya mo to, tubig. Asa, unsa kay gigamit daw karon ako, tubig at langis.
So, uwi na po si Auntie Mien. Siya po ang kapatid ng aking mother. Hi, mother.
Kain tayo.
Yeah. Thank you, Teha, sa pag-ano.
Salamat po kayo
Mga-
sa pasalubong.
Mga lahi nila talaga mga maganda. Patinggal family. Shout out. Good night.
Pila man ani?
Dagano. Tanan.
Kana sa tulo sa tulo?
O kana sa kayo mapatagda ko lang sa ano ugma ako. Sige.
Ay, duha na lang sa duha.
Pagkatapos, o sige duha lang sa pagkatapos ng arrival galing ng barangay patrol. Ano tayo ngayon sa tindahan.
Tindahan ni Aling Bebang.
Tindahan sa Barangay Kalansang.
Nasa fishing ko kami, guys.
Tapos ka natin bumili ng tubig na distilled water.
Uy, siya pa dyan nagdala dito si Ika.
Para kayo.
Mas dako.
Para kay Jaira. Jaira,
Jaira.
kasi hindi siya sanay pa sa mineral water.
Ito.
Just in case lang.
Uy! Ito po ang pinakamagandang tindera sa fishing ko. Nasaan si Kuya Koy Koy ate?
Nawala yung duty with
Patay. Kailan mo? Ah! Hindi naman kailan.
Ay, ate ko niya. Ate ko niya. Nag-duty naman to siguro. Uuwi na po tayo. Dres amin. Dres amin.
Uy, nasa musyat. Musyat ka dito.
Okay na, mi. Nasa naman ka? Jepoy na sa Jepoy na. Jepoy.
Hi, I'm Jepoy.
Sige. Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog.
Tingnan nyo, ang daming tao ito guys. Ano, gala-gala pa tayo.
Sumuhi ka ulo. Mami.
Gala ko puan, uy.
Uy, ulo ka. Ayaw.
Uy, nakuha na yun. Na-miss ko ang Philippines. Ato rin ako.
Uy, bitsi ko, bitsi.
Ato rin ako. Tara, pati.
Ay, God. Hindi ko kinaya, guys. Naunsa mo niya, pati. Bitsi. Gitabang. Uy.
Pwede pa mag-ito ang sunod gani. Hala, grabe, ang dami.
Dapat ito sulod yun. Dapat ganito. Pinakasulod. Grabe yung kilikili mo. Oh, sige guys.
Guys, tara guys. Kailangan natin ng helmet. Ay, dito ka mo guys. Pinabutan mo doon. Kapatid natin dyan.
Patay.
Nakatouch lang po kasi sobrang sipag niya. Nagsumikat talaga siya kahit